Welcome to our video on septic system design. In this video, we will discuss the key factors to consider when designing a septic system. Whether you are a homeowner planning to install a septic system or a professional in the field, understanding these factors is crucial for a successful and efficient septic system. The first factor to consider in septic system design is the soil composition. Different types of soil have varying absorption rates and drainage capabilities, which directly impact the performance of the septic system. It is important to conduct soil tests to determine its suitability for installing a septic system. Before designing a septic system, a thorough site evaluation should be conducted. This involves assessing the property's topography, proximity to water sources, and any potential obstacles that may affect the system's installation and maintenance. It is essential to choose a suitable location for the septic system to ensure its functionality and longevity. Proper sizing of the septic system is critical for efficient wastewater treatment. Factors such as the number of bedrooms in the property, daily water usage, and soil characteristics determine the size of the septic tank and drain field. Oversized or undersized systems can lead to operational issues and environmental contamination. When designing a septic system, it is essential to comply with local regulations and obtain the necessary permits. These regulations ensure that the system meets safety and environmental standards. Working with a professional who is familiar with the local codes and permit requirements can help avoid costly mistakes and ensure a smooth installation process. Lastly, proper maintenance is crucial for the longevity and functionality of a septic system. Regular inspections, pumping, and adherence to recommended maintenance schedules are necessary to prevent system failures and maintain water quality. Understanding these maintenance considerations is key for the overall success of the septic system. In conclusion, designing a septic system involves considering various important factors. Soil composition, site evaluation, system sizing, regulations, permits, and maintenance considerations all play a significant role in achieving an efficient and long-lasting septic system. By understanding and addressing these factors, you can ensure a well-designed septic system that meets your needs and protects the environment.